Custom injection molding has been widely used by manufacturers in various industries such as healthcare, industry, and automotive, and exported to countries such as Germany, Japan, and Spain. The so-called customized injection molding is the process of melting selected plastic materials and injecting them into the mold cavity to produce various products. In this manufacturing process, quality control is crucial for manufacturers to ensure that the final product meets customer customized requirements and standards. Both custom and traditional injection molding processes require strict quality control measures to ensure consistent product quality. The first step is for the manufacturer to strictly inspect whether the raw materials used in the injection molding process meet the processing requirements, including their purity, fluidity, and other aspects. In the custom injection molding process, the manufacturer's choice of material is crucial. The physical properties of different materials, such as strength, flexibility, and heat resistance, are different. Manufacturers and suppliers will tailor raw materials to different uses and usage environments. Wall thickness is a key consideration when designing custom injection molding. Thicker walls make the parts stronger, but also increase cooling time and the use of materials. Thinner walls are more cost-effective, but may affect strength. Finding the right balance is crucial. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.